Hey guys, Crimson Skull here, and welcome back to Steven Universe Soundtrack Attack. I could not help myself, guys. I made a video about this game about an hour ago, but it's so much fun. See, it's that same ship again. Okay. I wish this game could load a lot faster. I haven't heard this song in forever. Love that song. My favorite is, everyone told me Jim Stuff's dangerous. Guess I didn't believe it until now. Stevens. Love this game. Two, three, four. Not like the other guys. He's not like the other. Steven and the Stevens. Come on, we say. We've been eyeing him. We're all the same guy. And the Stevens. Come on, yourself and eyeing him. We're all the same guy. We're all the same guy. We're all the same guy. Like a perfect combo. Almost 200. 3 stars. 3 stars for days, man. And guys, before I even made this video again, I saw that we reached 4 subscribers, because yesterday we had 2. You know, if we weren't running for our lives, so, yeah, and if we were Sadie and Lars, I even wrote a song about it. Oh no, I know this song. I know it's the right song. I think it's a song. Oh, tell me it's the song I'm thinking of. It is. Oh, no, it's not. Dubstep. Dubstep, dub, 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 dub. Dub, 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 dub. Oh, guys, if I had a camera right now. Centipedal. Da, 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 da. Oh, dang it, I missed it. Oh, jeez. This game's getting a little hard. Hey guys, I got an idea. I'm gonna start a new gem. So every couple episodes I'll switch between gems. Sky Spear unlocked. Okay, that's awesome, but... Okay, guys, I'll get back when I'm done creating the next one, okay? Okay, so we're gonna have a purple ruby. I'm saving the pearls for last. So guys, in the comments section down below, for whoever watches all this, tell me which gem fusion and which gem is your favorite. My favorite gem is amethyst. My favorite fusion is alexandrite. I hope I said that name right. Is it pronounced alexandrite? I believe so. Look at all swag in your coat. No. Gems do not wear human clothes. Everyone knows this. I mean, unless they're hiding in plain sight from other gems. Like bad gems. Like Meanie. Okay, let's skip all this. We already know all this. Okay, I know how this works. So yeah, the green is my escape pod, and the red is like the ruby ship from Hit the Diamond. Episode Hit the Diamond anyway. Come on. Halt and name me Yellow Diamond. No. This is my recording of the game I got, so you will not make me halt for Yellow Diamond. Which one's your favorite diamond? In the comment section down below. My favorite is Blue Diamond. Garnet, I'm ready, okay? Here we go. Here we go, Ruby. Da, 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 da. Flips every day. Da, da, da. I'm sorry if I'm not talking much. I'm just trying to get in the groove of this. I mean, it's so much fun. I wonder what types of bands are actually playing in this besides the character bands. Perfect combo, I believe. I hope that's the perfect combo for this level. Guys, I'm playing this at 3 a.m. Garnet, don't worry. I know how to play this. Because if you haven't seen my last Steven Universe episode of this, then I would advise you guys to go check it out. And if we can get hit 10, we can't find a way. The people of this world believe in Garnet, Amethyst, and Pearl and Steven. Okay, so yeah, if you're new to my channel, I try to make as many videos a day as I can. So if you haven't seen my last Steven Universe episode, go check that out. And maybe we can get to 10 likes on this video. I don't want to hit Centipedal. I love Centipedal. Man. Centipedal, my fave. Like, what's your favorite gem that they've bubbled? My least favorite is Bismuth. My favorite is Centipedal. Love Centipedal. Poor little guy. I mean, girl. Save Steven from a falling crater type thing. Sorry if I spoiled that for anyone that hasn't seen that episode. Oh, I'm getting all the combos now that I've focused. Oh, the guitar. That's electric guitar, right? No, I did it wrong. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, 3 stars. All the 3 stars were had that day, and there was a 3-star breakfast that was rated 3 out of 3 stars. No, I did it wrong. Wait a minute. That's the fish that Lars, Sadie, and Steven caught on like the island episode when Sadie trapped the warp. Dun, 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 dun. Oh yeah. And 3 stars. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna leave it this other episode of Steven Universe is music. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.